Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy a page to another project here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying a page from one project to another in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, just open the design that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the Create a Design button on the upper left corner, and that would lead you to these options. You can use maybe a YouTube thumbnail, logo, Instagram post. So you have all these under your disposal. In my case, I'm going to choose the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload this file to our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. Now, for example, this is the design that I am working. And if you wanted to copy this page to another project, you see, one way is, you see this one right here. You can basically click on the duplicate page if you want, Control D, or you have an option to copy this link to the page. All right. Click that. Now, here on this section, if you want, just go to the open menu. There's going to be an option here for the create a design. All I have to do is simply go to the design post. For example, I'm going to use the Instagram post in this situation. You see that? All I have to do is copy the page into this new design. That's one of the easiest way to do it. As you can see, that's it. All right. Or I'm going to go back again to the main menu or the home page. This is the original file earlier, right? Now, another option is go to the resize button. Now, you can resize your design into whatever you need. Because in that case, for example, I wanted to copy this page to another design or project. I just have to put in the custom size like width, height in units, and after doing so, it will be transferred to the new design that I'm working with. Especially if you have specific element styles or layouts that reflect your brand. Copying pages allows you to maintain your consistency across multiple projects. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.